Stick around to see how I came up with 4 very creative holiday crafts that you can do with the kids right now to get ready for the holiday season. And oh, did I mention that it came from this cute book? Yes, so you do not want to miss this. Stay tuned.
What a wonderful What a wonderful world.
Hey everybody, it's your girl Cheryl, the activity author, and we are just sitting here waiting on Santa Claus to bring out presents all the way down to Charlotte. Come on, Santa, come on. And I'm also here to give y'all another book-inspired craft. Y'all know this. But before we get into it, guys, don't forget to like this video so more people can find it. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so I can bring you guys more activities, more crafts for the kids, for you guys to enjoy and be entertained. Now, before we get into these awesome crafts for you guys, I am super excited to tell you guys about the book that inspired this video today, because I am actually a huge fan of this author, guys. So I have watched and admire her from 2019 when I first launched my author career, and I watched this woman grow and blossom into the wonderful author and brand that she is today. So the book that inspired this video is called Sophie Washington's Secret Santa by Tonya, Duncan, Ellis. Y'all, I read this book from cover to cover in a day and a half, and I got 2 kids. How is that possible? I will never know. But I read it from cover to cover in a day and a half, and never have I ever been so captivated in a book since, like, a book like this since the Babysitter's Club book. Y'all remember those books back in the day we used to read in middle school? Y'all know me, 80s babies, stand up. But yes, this book is made and targeted for middle school kids, but I ain't gonna lie, parents, y'all gonna enjoy it too. So I especially like that because y'all know I teach middle school theater. So these are for my babies, for middle schoolers, kids that are going to middle school will enjoy these. So I would say literally 4th grade and up. I'm telling you, this is a good book, but don't just take my word for it. I want Sophie Washington herself to tell you why you and your children will love this awesome book. Check this out.
Christmas from Sophie Washington. A secret Santa has been sending me presents every day, and I'm trying to figure out who it could be. My best friends think it's classmates Nathan Jones or Toby Johnson, but I'm not so sure. I've been uncovering clues to figure it out, and the final reveal is bigger than any package I've ever opened on Christmas morning. It's a holiday surprise I'll never forget. To learn who's been sending me presents, read Sophie Washington's Secret Santa. You can find other fun books in the Sophie Washington series on Amazon, BarnesandNoble.com, Kobo, Smashwords, and fine booksellers everywhere.
So drop down in my description box right now. See how y'all can grab this awesome book. And look at the price. It's so affordable and it is worth every penny. I can guarantee that, y'all. So let's go ahead and get into these crafts that I created for you guys from this book. And please keep watching till the end because I have to tell you guys why Miss Tonya Duncan Ellis is someone you really need to get to know, and how to get lots of freebies from her website. So you definitely want to watch till the end. So guys, let's go ahead and get to craft number 1. So I came up with this idea because Sophie was getting Secret Santa gift boxes from her Secret Santa. So I figured we can make a Secret Santa gift box just using cardstock and ribbon. Now, if you want to see how to make this easy Secret Santa gift box, you're going to have to click the card up top because I didn't want to make this video too long by going through the whole tutorial and all the steps, but it's really, really easy. And it's a fun, creative, and cute way to give your Secret Santa a gift that they will love. So click that card up top or click the description box down below. I have the link to that video where I am showing you step by step how to make this easy gift box. And you can put anything inside that you feel that the person you are gifting will love. Okay, so our next craft comes from that part in the story when Sophie and her friends are ice skating. So I decided to draw up a cute little template for you guys. You didn't know I was an artist? Yeah, I do a little something something. But yes, go to my website right now, click the free printables button and get your free ice skate template. Have the kids color it up. Once they are done, you're going to add these popsicle sticks on the blades. That way you can decorate them and make them all shiny like we did. So go ahead and have your child apply just some regular glue. Then they're gonna put the popsicle stick on there and then put more glue on top, and you can add glitter to give it that shiny little pizzazz. Now, don't ask me why, but my daughter wanted to put cotton balls on the skate. I'm not going to judge, or I'm not going to step in the way of her creativity. So we added cotton balls to her skate. And yeah, sometimes she thinks she's running the show. And the last thing we did was we hole punched the shoelace. What do you call that? Shoelace insert? Y'all see what I'm doing. We hole punch this so we can add shoelaces to it. So all you need is some yarn or some string. And then I'm going to show you how to lace up your shoe. And this craft is done. Now you guys can lace up your shoe any way you want, but I wanted mine to look like a real shoe. So I have my laces crisscrossed to give the effect that it looks like a real shoe. So if you want to see how I did that, just keep watching. And but yeah, there's no rhyme or reason to this, and you're actually going to insert the strings twice through one hole. You see how I'm doing this right here? So just keep watching, and then when I am done, we will get to the third craft. Our third craft idea comes from the section of the book when they had a snowball fight. And I wanted to recreate that scene by doing a snowball launcher, which I still might do. Comment below if y'all want me to do that. But I decided to do something easy that the kids will love, and they can create art by making a snowball fight picture. So what you're going to do is have your paint. I'm using these colors here. And then I'm going to take my clothespin. I'm going to attach my pom-pom ball, or if you don't have that, use cotton balls. And I'm just going to dab it on just like that. Now what this does, it gives the illusion of, you know, when snowballs hit a surface, they get that splat look like that. That's what we're creating. And this is so cool because you can use different sizes, different types of pom-pom balls to get this effect. And when the picture is done, it's a beautiful picture that you can use for other things. And I don't know if y'all noticed this, but do y'all realize that I used this picture to make the gift box from the beginning, from the craft one? Yeah. So this has many purposes, honestly. You see how I'm using this pom-pom ball too with the extra little flare? This one gives a nice creative look. And I got these pom-pom balls from Dollar Tree, so you guys can head to your local Dollar Tree or Dollar Store or Michael's or craft store and find easy pom-pom balls with lots of sizes. But this is not just a painting. This can be used for a background. We could have put our ice skate picture on this as well. So guys, think of a lot of creative ways how you can use this fun, creative idea and just expand it. And I want to know, so tag me to your pictures on my Instagram or comment below, give me links. I want to see what you guys are creating. Okay, so this was so much fun. You got to try this. So this last craft comes from the part in the story when they're singing carols by the Christmas tree and they're wearing these cool Santa hats. So I was like, why not make some Santa hats too? So let me show you an easy way to make a wearable Santa hat. Just take a construction paper and you're going to sketch out a semi-circle just like I'm doing here. I know it's kind of thin because I got a pencil, but yeah, just any kind of semicircle. And mine isn't perfect. I just kind of sketched it out and I'm going to cut out this semicircle. Then I'm going to take the two ends and I'm going to fold them until they meet to make a cone shape like this. You can attach it with tape, but I didn't like that look, so I just went ahead and used some hot glue. I think you can also do this with regular glue too because it's just construction paper. So attach it using what you have. And actually, you could use tape. I wouldn't put the tape on the outside. You see how tacky that looks? Put the tape in the inside so it looks a little neater. And then you're going to add your cotton balls, and that is it. Now you can also add a string, because I know y'all thinking, oh, this looks like a party hat. Ta-da! Yeah, you can also make a party hat too. I mean, to each his own, but this is just a little quick method of how you guys can make a wearable Santa hat, and your child can have fun singing Christmas carols and marching all around the house with this cute and adorable Santa hat. And look at that product, all done. Wow, right? So tell me below, which one of these crafts are you going to do with your kids? I want to see pictures. Give me the receipts. Give me the evidence. Tag me on Instagram. And guys, don't forget to follow our author. Now, the reason why I told you she's so phenomenal, if you go to her website, she has lots of free printables, coloring sheets, lots of free things that you can do. And she even gives you a free gift if you subscribe to her email list. And if you follow her on Instagram, you will not be disappointed. Miss Tonya has the best reels and videos on her channel. She will have you cracking up looking at her dance moves. Y'all, this lady is so much fun. So get to know Miss Tonya and her phenomenal book series. She has coloring books, activity books, you name it. So definitely check her out today. And you know what else you can check out? Some more videos from the activity author by clicking one of these videos here. And I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Happy holidays.